Hello and welcome to this new video about D3. Today we are going to learn how to iterate inside a multiple selection. As you can see, we created 3 divs and prepared the script here for iteration. In this script we select all the divs, okay, and then we use the command each with this accessor function, and then we use the each command with this accessor function that we see here, and that will ask D3 to iterate inside the selection. So for example, it's going to grab this element inside the selection by using the command this, and then add a new attribute class, a new class, and the value for this class will be the index of this element inside the selection. For example, the first element will be 0, and then 1, and then 2. So the class name for this element will be 0, and then 1, and then 2. It can seem quite complicated at first glance, but you will get used at it, because it's always the same formula that we use. Now we can continue with the same procedure. We select all the 3 divs. So we now have a selection with 3 elements inside, and for each element we are going to use the accessor function select this. So we are there with the first element, and then we ask D3 to add a new style, display inline, so it's an absolute one, and then for this element we change the width by adding a new attribute width with the value 50, and then height with 60 for value, and then we change the style, and then it's a relative value calculated with the index of the first element, that will be 0. So 0 multiplied by 10 plus 5, it will be 5 pixels for the font size. And then for the second element we will have the same. It will be selected by this command, and then display inline, value 8, and then the font size will be different because then it will be the value 1 multiplied by 10 plus 5. It will be 15 pixels. And the result, we can see it there. You see that the font size is different because of the index of each element in the selection, 0, 1, 2. And we can see the result here in the console. We see that all those commands have created a new class 0, 1, 2 with the same width, the same height, and then displayed inline, but the font size is different because it was related to the index number. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you very soon for another one. Have a nice day.